thundering through here at the moment.
You know, we're going to be doing our best, working with the hotel partners, working with everybody to try and...
What we experienced is like something you see in a horror movie. It's something that you watch on TV, but not something you expect to actually happen in reality. I mean, we had cars flying over our heads, we had containers, 40-foot containers flying left and right.
This is a deadly storm. Interstate has never seen anything like it. Millions of Floridians will see major hurricane impacts with deadly storm surge and life-threatening winds. The threat of significant storm surge flooding along the entire west coast of Florida has increased. And 6 to 12 feet, think about that, 6 to 12 feet of impacts above ground level is now probable. 6 to 12 feet, this will cover your house.